Hi everyone, welcome to Bengaluru Dream House. So today let me take you through a brand new independent house with a rental income property. So as you can see in the video, so this is what the property looks like. So talking about the details of the property, so this property is a BBM is comes under BBMP limits and is a B Khata property. Site dimensions. So this property is 25 by 40 feet, road by 25 feet, length by 40 feet, total 1000 square feet. So 25 feet a road is there in front of the house, which is wider. And also this property is a pillar construction property. Solid bricks has been used, so this is a 10 pillar construction property. So talking about the flooring details, ground floor parking area plus 1 BHK, first floor, second floor, third floor is a 2 BHK with 3 units. So this is the floor details. Side facing is north, main doors facing is east for all the main doors. So as you can see in the video, that's the main gate. So the main gate is an open gate. 16 iron has been used and the gate is up to the roof for safety protection. So let me take you inside. So as you can see, that's the parking area. So 2 4-wheelers and 4 to 5 4 2-wheelers can be parked at a time. So as you can observe, pillars are also been constructed, as I told you earlier. So 10 pillar construction property. So granite has been used for the pillar 2. 2x4 granite tiles has been used for the walls. That's the meter board. So individual meters has been provided for individual houses. So 1.5 feet of space has been left for the passage for ventilation purpose. So below the staircase there's a small space which is kept for gas provisions, as you can see. So individual gas provisions will be provided for with safety grills. So as you can observe, 2x4 granite tiles has been used for the walls with marble effect. So this is the 1 BHK house which is in the ground floor. So that's the hall. This is the hall there's no TV point, but there's a TV slider with ceiling, and this is the open modular small and compact kitchen with cabinets provided above and below. This is the room. So sliding doors has been provided with cabinets provided above. That's the window for ventilation. This is the washroom. So for the washroom fittings, Cera fittings has been used. So door is yet to be attached. So this is what the 1 BHK house of the ground floor looks like. Moving on to the first floor. So for the staircase, granite has been used, anti-secrete granite has been used, and SS railings will be attached for the railings. So for the walls, as you can observe, for the entire walls, granite has been used. 2x4 branded tiles has been used with marble effect. So this is the 2 BHK house of the first floor. So that's the main door. Polishing is yet to be done. So teak wood has been used for the doors, and for the doors which is in the puja rooms as well for the houses in the building. So that's the hall. So ceiling has been done made of POP with LED lights. So that's the hall. So that's the TV point. They have given a wooden finish to the TV point. the whole house they have given little bit of wooden finish here and there. So this is the puja room. So granite slabs has been provided with 2x4 marble tiles, and teak wood has been provided for the main door, for the puja room door. This is the kitchen. So granite flooring has been done for the entire building. So this is another view of the hall. So as you can observe, on the roof, wooden planks has been attached to give it a stylish look. So this is the master bedroom. So wardrobe, so sliding doors with attached dressing table and cabinets provided above are also provided. That's the attached washroom to the master bedroom. This is a compact washroom. So fittings are yet to be attached. So Cerat fittings will be attached to the washrooms. So that's a window. So 2 windows will be provided for this room. So this is the second room. So this is the common washroom. So that's the second room. So as you can see, 4x6 windows has been attached with sliding doors, cabinets provided above, and granite flooring has been done with ceiling. So in the first floor, so this first floor is meant for the owner's stay. So every room, hall, they have made a false ceiling, but that's not repeated for the rest of the floors. So for the rest of the floors, only in hall there'll be a false ceilings. So rest ceilings will be a plain ceiling. So moving on to the second floor. So second floor is also the same, except the differentiation of the ceiling. Apart from that, every single detail is the same as you just saw. So that's the hall, TV point, puja room. That's the kitchen, open modular kitchen. That's the master bedroom with attached washroom. So that's the second room. So that's the room with sliding doors and cabinets provided above with a common washroom. So moving on to the third floor, which is this as similar as we discussed. That's the third floor. So not showing you much as the details are quite similar. So moving on to the terrace. So terrace, as you can see, is quite huge and spacious. So there's a small room. So gates also will be provided. So here tanks will be provided. So for safety purpose, even gates also will be provided. So as you can see, that's the terrace. So one syntax tank will be provided. worth 2000 liters capacity. So this property is located in Kadgenele near Bangalore Main Road, Yelahanka, Bangalore North. 560063 is the pin code. So talking about the amenities and the facilities, so Nite Meenakshi, NPS and Presidency colleges are pretty much nearby to the location. So airports are just 1.5 kilometers away from the location, and also RMZ Mall is just 3 kilometers away from the location. So the price of this property is 1 crore 55 lakhs, slightly negotiable. Up to 70 to 75% of bank loans will be available in different banks like HDFC, Bandhan, etc. So, and also metro stations, bus stations are pretty much nearby to the locations, and also the area is quite developed. So for the safety purpose also, the area is quite developed and also highly protected area. So this is what the property actually looks like, as you are seeing in the video. So if you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope so. Thank you.